important to keep new hair growing and new hair coming, and you'll be fine. I think when it comes to hair care, there is one region in the world where hair care rituals have been followed from time immemorial and they seem to have worked, right? And that place is India. Now, if you look at all of these reports on how the best hair wigs are made from hair that comes from India, there is a lot of concepts of oiling that is now catching up in the rest of the world that Indians have basically done all their life, right? So my belief is that if you follow rituals of the set of people that know it best, you're likely to get results that kind of work. So here's the first thing. Always comb your hair and then oil it. I know a lot of us do it very differently, which is first oiling and then combing. But the logic is that when you massage your scalp, one is the weaker hair kind of come out and your hair is a lot more fragile at that time. So if you kind of comb through it and especially roughly or harshly, it's likely to kind of come out from the roots itself, right? So always comb and then oil. Now when I have to do this, I divide, because I have long hair, I divide up my hair into two sections. I always find that helps me get to the different parts of my scalp a lot better. And I don't comb with like a comb, I usually finger comb through my hair. And my hair is super wavy, so that usually kind of takes up some time because the nature of my hair is that it gets super knotted. But I know a lot of people don't really comb their hair very often because maybe it's straight, doesn't get knotted. But oiling day is definitely a day to comb your hair. Comb from the bottom, right? So you basically comb it out from the bottom. And I've seen my mom do this, so maybe it's like a subconscious thing. But I get why it works, because you basically want to tease out the knots and then start back all the way from the top.
One eternity later.
This is my detangled, little less unruly hair, and I've kind of dividing it up into two sections really helped with that detangling. Here goes the second tip. So always use the pads of your thumbs to massage. The other thing that I've seen people do is massage like that. Right? So they basically go round and round, and I've seen a lot of salons do it this way. The thing with that is it really tangles up your hair. So if I just detangle my hair, and if someone basically does that to it, it's all tangled again, right? So the idea is to use just the pads of your thumbs and give yourself a chumpy like that. And they can be short bursts. Okay, so your hair is sufficiently oiled, I think, and this is where tip number 3 comes into the picture. It's also good to go in with a massager of some sort that basically gives you a circulation, improves blood flow, right, or blood circulation. As long as you are following a routine and you are doing all of it's a little bit like health, right? Like, sure, there'll be days when you feel fat or you feel not healthy, but as long as on most days you're kind of eating healthy and working out, in the long run you'll be okay. That was my hair care routine and my top 3 tips for oiling. Like I said, I would trust the Indians, they knew what they were doing, so you can too.